In a quiet Christmas tree farm in Reading, Pennsylvania, a young Taylor Swift spent her childhood surrounded by the simplicity of nature. The sprawling landscape was her first exposure to property ownership, not as an investment, but as a sanctuary of some sort. Little did she know this idyllic upbringing would set the stage for one of the most remarkable real estate journeys in celebrity history. As a child, Taylor's life was far from notable. Her parents worked tirelessly to provide for the family, and Taylor found solace in songwriting and storytelling. She watched her parents care for the family property, learning the value of creating spaces that nurtured both people and dreams. But everything changed when Taylor was 14. With an audacious dream to become a country music star, her family uprooted their lives and moved to Nashville. Leaving behind a Christmas tree farm was bittersweet, but it planted a seed in Taylor's mind. Home isn't just where you live, it's where you grow. When Taylor signed her first record deal at 15, she poured her earnings into music, not real estate. For years, she lived in modest apartments while focusing on her career. Success didn't come easily, believe me. Taylor faced rejection after rejection upon rejection. Before her breakout single, Tim McGraw catapulted her to stardom. With her growing fame, Taylor had her first opportunity to buy a home. She purchased a simple condo in Nashville's Music Row, a space close to the heart of country music. While it wasn't flashy, it was her first taste of independence and a tangible reward for years of hard work. But even this small victory came with challenges. The housing market in Nashville was competitive, and as a young artist, Taylor had to navigate the process without much guidance. Still, she treated the purchase as a learning experience. Diving into the intricacies of mortgages, property taxes, and market trends. As her career skyrocketed, Taylor began expanding her real estate ambitions. Her next big purchase was a turning point. What is it? A $17 million waterfront mansion in Watch Hill, Rhode Island, known as the Holiday House. The property was steeped in history and intrigue, and it came with its fair share of problems. Again, locals initially opposed her purchase, worried that her celebrity status would disrupt their quiet community. They were scared of gentrification. Now, Taylor faced legal battles and public scrutiny, with headlines casting her as an outsider trying to take over. Yet, Taylor wasn't one to back down. She embraced the community, hosting charity events and even inviting neighbors to some of her famous 4th of July parties. Slowly but surely, she won them over, proving that her intentions were genuine. Taylor's strategy became clear, and it should be to you right now. She wasn't just buying properties, she was creating homes that reflected her artistic and personal growth. Over the years, she acquired a mix of historic mansions, sleek penthouses, and cozy retreats, each with its own story. For example, in New York City, she purchased multiple apartments in Tribeca, creating a block-long footprint that earned her the title of an unofficial neighborhood mayor. In Beverly Hills, she restored a historic mansion once owned by Hollywood legend Samuel Goldwyn, preserving its legacy while making it her own. Another example, in Nashville, she bought a sprawling estate, staying true to her country roots. Each property brought their own challenges. Renovations ran over budget, historical preservation laws added complications, and managing properties across states required a trusted team. Yet, Taylor's meticulous attention to detail ensured every project was a success. What sets Taylor apart from many celebrity real estate investors is her emotional connection to her homes. For her, real estate isn't just about financial gain. It's about creating spaces that inspire, motivate, and heal. During her public feuds and breakups, her homes became sanctuaries. She turned to songwriting in her private studios, using the walls of her properties to pen some of her greatest hits. Her homes weren't just investments, they were refuges that helped her navigate the pressures of fame. Now, here are Taylor's lessons for you. Taylor's journey is a masterclass in patience, vision, and adaptability. She faced stunned criticism for her real estate moves, from being labeled a serial buyer to accusations of gentrification. Yet, she consistently showed resilience, using her platform to advocate for local communities and sustainability. Today, Taylor Swift's real estate portfolio is valued at over $100 million. But more than a dollar sign, it's a testament to her evolution. From a girl with big dreams on a Christmas tree farm to a global icon who sees real estate as an extension of her story. Her journey is a reminder that success isn't just about where you live, it's about what you create. Taylor's real estate properties are more than brick and mortar. They are symbols of perseverance, artistry, and a life lived on her own terms. You're feeling inspired about Taylor's journey? Whether you're starting out with a condo or dreaming of a mansion, or starting out with, your 2-bedroom semi-detached apartment or home, Taylor's story proves that real estate can be a powerful way to reflect on your values and your growth. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video for more inspiring videos like this. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.